Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 24. Let's see what the question states. Let A equal to 2i plus j minus 2k and B equal to I plus j. Let C be a vector such that C minus A is 3 and A cross C is given to us 3 and the angle between C and A cross B be 30 degree. Then A dot C is equal to. Let's first start with the things which are given to us. A cross B cross C is 3 and also theta is given to us as 30 degree. So let's start. So because we have given that A cross B cross C equal to 3 and we can simply start by computing A cross B, and by computing A cross B we get the result 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Now we will unfold this formula, and according to it A cross B vector into C vector into sine theta is 3 as according to the question. Now simply put the value of theta and we are simply going to get A vector is equal to 3 equal to A vector cross B vector. So according to it we are simply getting the C vector equal to 2. Now once we got the C vector, we can simply get to C vector minus A vector, that is coming out to be 3. Now we can simply square on both the sides, and here in this squaring both the sides, and once you are going to do it, it would be C vector square plus A vector square minus 2 times of A vector dot C vector, and that is equal to 9. And we have the value of C vector, we have also the value of A vector. So simply substitute these values here, and once you're going to do that, the A cross C would be transformed something like this, and it is equal to 9 minus 5, that is 4 by 2, and that is coming out to be 2. So as we can see, the first option 2 is the correct.